Hey everybody, Smart Silver Stacker here. So this is an important update. The price of gold is surging over the weekend, but you wouldn't know it from looking at the spot price chart of gold. So a quick recap, the spot price of gold did rise to a record intraday high on Friday, getting as high as $28.17 and then closing at a record high daily price of $27.97. But that's not the end of the story. That is actually just the beginning. To understand what I'm talking about, we need to take a look at this chart. This is a chart of PAX Gold. This is a cryptocurrency which tracks the price of gold. But unlike gold paper markets, the futures markets, which only trade during the week, they take a break for the weekend. PAX Gold, being a cryptocurrency token, it trades 24/7, and its price movement today is very interesting indeed. Now, you'll notice that on Friday, PAX Gold mirrored closely the movements of the spot price in the metal. But today, Sunday, which, futures markets are closed, but we still have this crypto market trading, PAX Gold has actually risen to a high of $2,900. Right now, it's at about $28.97. And this is indicative that when futures markets open tonight around 6 p.m. Eastern time, we could see some significant action in the gold and silver spot markets. Now, much of this price action in gold is related to news of tariffs and trade wars and all of the uncertainty that accompanies that. Yesterday, February 1st, we had a 25% tariff go into effect against Canada and Mexico, some of the U.S.'s largest trading partners and also major producers of the precious metals, as well as a 10% tariff against China, the world's largest gold producer. Well, this is an update from X account Unusual Whales, which tells us that Trump has said that if Canada retaliates, which Justin Trudeau says they will, then he will double the tariffs placed on Canada. So this trade war is just getting started. The effects will likely be far-reaching, and if this chart of PAX Gold is any indication of what's about to play out over the next week, it means that we are set up for some significant upward movements in the spot price of gold and silver. Gold and silver aren't the only metals that are likely to be impacted by tariffs. In fact, platinum and palladium may be disproportionately affected, particularly if there are tariffs imposed on the BRICS nations, which is something that Donald Trump recently threatened to do in a post on Truth Social. Now, I wrote a post outlining why platinum and palladium in particular may be so susceptible to supply chain disruptions and trade wars. If you'd like to read about that, I will put a link down in the description. And if you'd like to be the first to see posts like that one, then make sure you sign up for my free newsletter. It is 100% free, and there will be a link for that in the description as well. Now, it's a bit of an opportunity for stackers, if you ask me, because right now, Sunday, before the futures markets open, bullion dealers are still going based off of the spot price, which you see here over at SD Bullion is significantly below what PAX Gold is trading at. So, nothing is guaranteed here, of course, but for those of us who are so inclined, this may be a good opportunity to do some stacking before futures markets open and before the spot price of gold and silver moves significantly higher. And one thing you might want to take a look at is some Canadian maple leaves, whether it's silver or gold. Seems like the potential for these to go up in price, at least for us US stackers, is very significant. And if you want to have some maple leaves in your stack, you might want to get them while the getting is good. Are we about to see gold spike to $2,900 when futures markets open? I mean, if that's the case, then $3,000 will arrive in no time at all. But leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think. And if you want to see more videos like this one, check out the video that's popping up on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe and happy stacking. Smart Silver Stacker out.